What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Let's start this video out right with a young, crispy monster. Cheers. Start out by unboxing some packages I got. At 3. Bet you don't know what this one is. And I already put the radiator in. You need to kind of figure out a way to mount it. Make some kind of bracket or something. Probably gonna have to move it over because maybe a turbo goes here. I don't know, maybe, but we'll see. Definitely got to get it running and driving first. Cheers. Well, this is a radiator pack, obviously. Little slim fan and a little zip ties and holders for it. All right. Got the hub from Bull Boost Performance. Now I can finally put the steering wheel on. Finally. See right here. It came with a sticker. That's all that really matters. NRG Innovations. So this is just an extension. I don't want to spend the money on getting a quick release right now, and I'm not sure if the steering wheel I have is gonna hit the blinker switch and all that. So I just bought this for now. Ooh, sticker. That's right. So what this is to go from OBD0 and OBD1 to OBD2 because I'm cheap, and the alternator that's in there right now was literally I was literally using it as a doorstop, and I've had it there for like a year, so I'm really hoping it works as well. So we're gonna test that today. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this one in so you can see if this alternator works. There's that. All right, let's test this alternator real quick. All right, looks like the alternator is good. Let me know in the comments if you guys like my seat. Hopefully you guys can see. Yeah, it would have been really close. The blinkers and the windshield wiper would have been really close, so glad I bought this little extension. By the way, shout out my mom for watching the videos. She's always watching my videos and liking them. So shout out to my mama. I love you, mama. I finally got a steering wheel. The NRG and Bull Boost looks pretty good. And then we got a working alternator. I'm gonna try to make a bracket for this, some kind of, just to hold it in place. Got a piece of flat bar. I can drill a hole, use one of these holes, see if I can't find some kind of rubber grommet or something to put in there. Try it out. Now we gotta mark out where I put the other hole. Not the best. It's not the worst. It'll work. Actually, we need to remove the spot welds from this and remove this one and get it welded over there. But nothing is set in stone right now because, like I said, if a turbo goes there, it might have to go a little bit further that way. All right, it's a new day. So, you know what that means? A new crispy monster. Cheers. So I'm gonna wire up this fan. I got a OEM female clip, and I'm gonna wire it behind the radiator so it's out of the way. And I'm gonna wire it so that it blows towards the engine. So I got this all wired up. I just put blue on black and black on blue so that it reverses the fan, because it's gonna be pushing instead of pulling. Put it install this fan. I think I'm just gonna do 2 for now, just in case I have to move it again. One on the top, one on the bottom. And you have these little pads. To kind of protect the radiator. So there it is, installed. I just gotta clip off the 2 zip ties. I have the other 2 just in case I have to move it to the other side for some reason. 2 will hold it, it's fine. So we'll test it right now. So I'll go ahead and plug it in, test it out, make sure it's blowing the right way. Good. Fan is working good, brought it way down. So I made a little list of the things that we needed so I could cross a few things off. Radiator, steering hub, and the alternator, belt, and plug. So the CV axles are supposed to be coming tomorrow. I don't have wheels yet. I don't know when I'm gonna get some. Don't have seats. And that's about all I need to actually drive it. Looking good. That P06 it's making it run really rough. I'm guessing it's just because it's a P06. I try to look it up and I get mixed answers. that some people say it's supposed to run good. Some people say that it's gonna run, but it's gonna run bad. So I'm not sure. If anybody knows, let me know. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. I just wanna say thank you guys for all my new subscribers and people watching, liking the video, and say something in the comments, man. Say what's up, say something. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.